Today I'm making my teriyaki chicken. Start by slicing the green onion. And then peeling and finely chopping the ginger and the garlic. Ginger is a great ingredient to cook with. It's got anti-inflammatory properties and it boosts brain functions. Garlic is another great ingredient. It boosts the immune system and has antibiotic properties. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe. Now in a bowl, add the soy sauce, the orange juice, the water, the honey, the garlic, and the ginger, and the red pepper flakes, the lemon juice, and the coconut flour. And whisk that all together. Now spray the casserole dish with olive oil. Put the chicken in the dish, and then you're going to pour the teriyaki sauce over the chicken. Then bake for 35 to 40 minutes on 400 degrees. Now spoon a little of the thickened sauce over the chicken, and then garnish it with the green onion and the sesame seeds. Thank you for watching.